During the 1980s, Jamaica was a land gripped by both spiritual awakening and intense unrest. While political tensions, crime, and poverty affected many communities, a very different kind of fear began to circulate through whispers, hushed conversations, and late-night tales. It was the story of the lady on the white horse. No one knew exactly where the story began, but by the mid-80s, people from different parishes began claiming the same thing. They had seen a mysterious woman dressed in white, riding a pure white horse, silently passing through towns, crossroads, and even rural bush tracks, often at night, but sometimes in broad daylight. Eyewitnesses described her as beautiful, but strange. She wore a flowing white dress or robe, sometimes said to be bridal-like. Her face was calm but unreadable. Some said she had no face at all, just a glow. Others insisted her eyes glowed red or gold. The horse she rode was large, majestic, and completely white, hooves silent, body almost floating. Sometimes it galloped, but many said it glided above the ground, never making a sound. People who saw her often reported feeling chills. Animals would act strangely, dogs would howl, goats would break free from ropes, and roosters would crow at strange hours. The lady on the white horse sparked many theories. Some believed she was a spirit sent by God, warning the people of Jamaica to repent, turn from wickedness, and return to righteousness. This was especially believed during times of national hardship, like during Hurricane Gilbert, 1988, the Green Bay Massacre, or the many political killings of the decade. Others thought she was a duppier witch, especially because she was said to disappear mysteriously, ride through locked gates, and even float through walls. A few older folks swore she was a sign of judgment, a spiritual being that came before disasters. Some communities claimed she was seen just days before a local tragedy, death, or fire. Children were warned not to be outside late, especially near crossroads or old graveyards. Some adults began to pray more, fast, or avoid certain areas after dark. Churches began holding late-night prayer meetings, hoping to protect their communities. Others were fascinated. Some even waited up at night, hoping to catch a glimpse. But no one could predict when or where she would appear. In a few stories, those who tried to approach her or follow her fell ill, went mad, or lost their voice. One man in St. Elizabeth reportedly tried to capture a photo of her, and his camera melted in his hands. Whether that was true or just rumor, no one could say. By the late 80s, the lady on the white horse had become part of Jamaican folklore. She was spoken of with the same reverence and caution as the rolling calf, the river mama, or the 3-foot horse. She was seen as a spiritual warning, a symbol of purity in the face of growing